Today we are at 8 Lambert Common in beautiful southwest Oakville. What a gorgeous day. This house is located on a private cul-de-sac with custom homes and a stone's throw away from the lake.
This home truly offers everything to today's buyer. There isn't a detail that's been overlooked, and there's a custom finish around every corner. And what better way to spend your evenings in the summer than watching the sunset on this huge back terrace with a wood-burning fireplace?